Alright, so let's go through this question. We have this equation of circle C1 with radius r equal to 8, and the equation of the circle is 3x squared plus 3y squared plus 24x, so on and so forth, right? So find the value of P and the coordinates of the center of C. Okay, so for this question, right, first thing first, we must know that the standard form of the equation is actually x minus a bracket square, then plus y minus b bracket square equal to 8 square. So this one is actually the center of circle, right? A comma B, and this is the R. Alright. Okay, if you look at the equation that's given to us, it's actually 3x squared plus so and so forth. So the very first thing you want to do is actually to divide by 3. Then divide by 3. So that's the first thing you want to do. Okay, after that you get this already, x squared plus 8x plus y squared minus 2py minus 39 equal to 0. So of course I want to make this thing look something like this thing. Okay, so how do I make from this part to this part? There are two ways. For me, I will complete the square. Okay, when you complete the square, means you put like this, put all the x's together, x squared plus 8x. So of course, here you put y squared minus 2py. Then the 39 minus 39, you move it to the right hand side. So what you get is actually equal to positive 39. Okay, now I want to complete the square. First thing, you look at this one, x squared. So you always plus a box, then you put a square, minus the same box, you put a square. So what should I put inside the box? You should put 8 divided by 2. Always look at the second number, 8, right? 8 divided by 2. Then you also put 8 divided by 2. So that is the first completing the square. Okay, of course there's one more thing that I want to complete the square is your y, right? So we put a plus y first. Y square minus 2py. Then you put two boxes, one box. After that, minus the same box. So inside the box you put minus 2p. So minus 2p divided by 2. Minus 2p divided by 2. Okay, so now we do a bit of manipulation. So you look at this part. So it's actually x squared plus 8x plus 8 divided by 2 is 4 to the power of 2, 16. Okay, put a round bracket, then you minus 16. Then you go to the y already, right? So y square, okay, put a round bracket first, minus 2py. Okay, so for this bracket, for this box inside is negative 2p divided by 2, which is negative 1p. The whole thing square is p square. So it's plus p square. Then put a round bracket. Okay, next is minus, right? Minus p square equal to positive 39. So that's how we complete the square in this chapter. Okay, after that, you do your factorization. So you get x plus 4 bracket square. Then of course, the purple bracket is y minus p bracket square. So this is the quadratic factorization. Okay, now we have minus 16 and minus p square. Okay, these two things you move it to the right hand side. So you move it to the right hand side, you get equal to, okay, I put a plus first. Okay, equal to, okay, so there's a 39 here. 39 plus 16 plus p square. Okay, so this you can see is the form that I want. X plus 4 bracket square plus y minus p bracket square equal to 39 plus 16 plus p square. So this whole thing is roughly 39 plus 16 first. So it's equal to 55 plus p square. So the left hand side is x plus 4 square plus the y. So it's y minus p bracket square. Okay, so we know that we are given some information. They say that the radius of the circle is 8. So the radius of the circle is 8 means the right hand side is the r square, which is 8 square, which is equal to 64. So can I find p? Definitely can, right? So you just put 55 plus p square equal to 64. So you solve for p first. So p squared equal to 64 minus 55, which is equal to positive 9. So p is equal to square root 9, right? Can be plus or minus 3. But they say that is positive. So I just put positive 3, right? So that is how you solve for p. Of course, they also want us to solve for the coordinate of the center of circle, right? Okay. For the coordinate of center of circle, right, you have to look at this part and this part. So we know that, okay, this is x plus 4 bracket square, then plus, right, y minus 3 bracket square. Always remember, whenever we are doing the center of circle, this thing here and here must be minus. So if this is not minus, you can actually put like this. X minus negative 4 bracket, put another bracket square, plus y minus 3 bracket square. So this will give you the center of circle. So the center of circle is negative 4 and positive 3. So the center of circle is negative 4, comma, positive 3. That's it, right?